Hey guys, today we're back with another video, and today we're going to be playing with NOOB1234, and we're going to be playing the Aeroplane story. Okay, let's get into it. He is right there. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is NOOB right now. This is him. Running around.
Why does this go follow me? Oh, hey, I know you.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, you want to play a game?
Yeah.
You want to go on a ride? Let's go. I've been on a space ride.
Okay, quick, let's get in it before the timer goes out.
Oh God, there's no one in there.
Okay, quick. Go. No. Go. I don't know how we turned out to be in the exact...
It's like I'm trying to squeeze a turd on here.
Wait, what? You're over there?
I'm squeezing a turd here. I'm trying to take the toilet. I don't know where the toilet is.
Oh, this...
John B. Who is John B?
This game is full. Okay, here we go. I got D8. Try and find D8.
9.
D8.
B9. I've got B9.
Where's 8? 8.
9.
D. Come on, this is mine. Come on. This is... There we go. I got my seat. I've got my seat.
There it is. B9. Let me freaking sit. There it is. Oh, I see ya.
Oh, I got a badge. Hello, everyone.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard to flight.
We are currently flying into an altitude of 33,000 feet above the sea level. The water looks. Wait, the weather looks. The weather looks good. Oh, this is so fast. Feel free to explore the aeroplane.
Roxy, look behind you.
You can't even sit back in your seat.
I look like the guards from Squid Game.
Your avatar.
The mask looks like
You've literally got a mask.
It looks like the guard from Squid Game.
Now.
Find your seats. We just did, idiots!
About to cross it.
It literally looks like Squid Game. The Squid Game guard. What happens if I jump off this?
This person behind me is called Butterfly Fox. Butterfly Ox. Sox.
That girl just got
16.
damage! Oh, she just died. Rip.
R.I.P. Thank you
Roxy.
for your cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay.
I'm gonna dance with
Get
you.
ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. What are you doing? Wait, I'll see. Have I still got any dances? Oh yeah.
Sandwich!
Woo! Oh, gotta. Wait, is this peanut butter?
Sheep,
Yum.
sheep, sheepy, sheepy.
Hamburger. Oof. Oh, I just ran into the girl.
Carries diseases from Florida to Cali. Sorry, copyrighted from
Flamengo. I'm not feeling very well. Oh, don't find the medic kit. Don't find the medic kit.
What is this sandwich? Wait, is this? Oh my god.
I'm allergic to mayo. Find the
You
kit.
gotta be kidding me. You're allergic to mayo?
You could.
Really?
You could have said that. You could have said it at the start. Oh, are you? I'm allergic to mayo, so I can't have. If this sandwich has got mayo in it, I can't have
I
it.
can't.
Oh! Look through the drawers.
Damn it. Where is it?
They're not opening.
Wait, I think it's in the back.
Call 911. Call 911. Wait, we're on the aeroplane. We can't call. I found it.
Where was it?
Oh, why did you find it?
find it, girl. Yeah, that was a close one. Yeah, I need the restroom.
Then go then.
Why is it locked?
Oh.
Let me in!
FBI, open up.
Muscles.
Good afternoon, all Spanish. Archie. How long are these sentences? I just.
I have no idea. Yoink.
I wonder how long.
Girl just friend me. The blue-haired girl gave me a friend request.
Same. That girl friended me as well, so I just decline.
I didn't even.
Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. What happens if there's snakes?
What are you talking about?
What happens if there's snakes?
I've never played this.
Wait a minute. Is this first class? I think I found first class.
Oh God. What the hell?
What?
It appears to be we have lost energy. Oh no.
Hang on, as we try to fix it. How is...
Stop going in the restroom.
Guys,
You don't need to pee.
guys, look out the window. What is that? What is that?
Oh my God. It's Satan. It's the God.
You will not
It's the Son of God.
survive.
Oh my God.
Are those snakes?
Snakes.
I told you there'd be
I love
snakes.
snakes. I love snakes.
I told you
I
there'd be
love snakes.
Don't trust their squiggly eyes.
Oh, I love snakes in real life.
True, that is true. Don't trust their little squiggly eyes.
I'm just gonna bump. Excuse me, sir. Boop. That's what you get. You get a boop.
Guys, there is an open
They give you a
restroom.
thick boop.
Guys, try and find a restroom. Guys, I found the open restroom.
Nah.
Find the restroom. Fire! Guys, quickly.
Come in. Nice grip.
You're literally You're literally scoffing those quavers.
What was that?
That was scary. I know. We should discuss what the heck is happening. Yeah, I feel like we should discuss that as well. Because we're going to die out here. Save me! And I'm going to die out here. Save me.
Yeah, we should discuss what the heck is happening. Oh, blue hair girl's taking the photo. She looks like what Friday Night Funkin' boyfriend would look like if he was a girl. Roasted. Hey, have that, buddy.
Okay.
50 bucks.
15.
15. You're gonna make yourself throw up.
How come you're taller than me? Come here, I'm going to stab on your head. Pine cone. The creature on the wing is also gone
I have
creepy.
Rocket Jet's fist.
I'm dead. Your attention pressures. I have good news and bad news. Tell us the bad news first. The good news is the power is back up. Cool. Bad news. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen will drop over your seats. Give me a mask. Someone.
No, give that. No, I don't have one. I don't have one.
Jump on one. Find one.
There is one. Oh, I'm dead. Yep, I'm done.
Damn it. Okay, guys, that will have to be the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and like the video for more videos like this. Bye.